it's Linda. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do something that is so exciting. If you have been following up on social media, you may have seen that we are coming out with another palette. Today I am gonna show you how you can use it to create this eye look and these eyebrows, for example, if you have red hair. I'm also going to talk a little bit about the different shades and how you can use them for different skin tones and so on. But I'm so excited about this. I hope you are as well. I'm so happy, and let's just go straight to the tutorial and I'll talk to you later. I am literally so excited about sharing this very first makeup tutorial with the Infinity Deep palette. This palette is basically an extension of the Infinity palette. It's the same concept. You can use them for face, eyes, brows, lips, whatever. You can use them wet, you can use them dry, but the colors are different. They are a little bit deeper, a little bit warmer. Right now, I am going to use Umbra on my brows. You can use it wet or dry, as I said. Right now, I'm using it dry, and then I'm gonna wet it when I am gonna do the like hairs. So the thing that excites me the most is to see like what people are gonna do with this palette. The shades are amazing and they are buildable, so they're easy to work with, and I am so excited about it. This shade is the coolest brown shade, and also it depends on which skin tone you have, because on me, my skin tone is very yellow, so it looks kind of warm on me. But if you have a cooler skin tone or a darker skin tone, it will be like the perfect contour shade for you. So brows are done. I am just going to show you the original Infinity palette that looks like this, and the Infinity Deep that has another design to it, which I love. If you look at these shades, this is the original and this is the Deep. So they are quite different from each other. Okay, enough talking. Let's go to the makeup. I am going to use a crayon as my base. I will just sharpen it first. So instead of primer, I'm putting Oeva and I am blending it out. I think I will do something a little bit more orange, so I will use Red Shift and Quasar. I am starting with Red Shift on the outer corners of my eyes. This is a beautiful warm brown shade that goes to pretty much everything. I will use Quasar. Quasar is one of my favorite colors in this palette, actually. So look at this orange. Oh. It's so shiny and it's so pretty. Just love how bright it is. And then, if you find it hard to blend, we also have Eyeliner that is a really good shade if you want to blend everything together. And Eyeliner is also a really good base shade, like a basic color, and I even use it as a blush sometimes. Under my eyes, I will use brown core crayon. And to set the crayon, I will use Red Shift again. And to blend it out, I'm using Eyeliner. You see it gets this little, almost a little pinkish tone. I want more orange. I'm obsessed by this orange shade. It's just so deep. Of course, the palette is big. On the inner corners, I am going to use Polar Star. Polar Star is a little bit more, it's a cooler tone. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. You can use it as a highlighter, you can use it as an eyeshadow. I think I will use Fornax for a little bit of just, not an eyeliner, but yeah, kind of an eyeliner. Just a little bit of eyeliner, because I will apply some false lashes after, and I want a little bit of just a tiny line. And I think the angled brush is really good for this, for eyeliners. What I'm gonna do now is actually to use the original Infinity palette to create some highlight and shading, and then I will actually do the last touch up with Infinity Deep, because it gets some really interesting shades in there that I want to use on my face as well. I am going to use Eyeliner for shading, so I will warm up my face with this a little bit. As you can see, it's a really nice blush shade. Okay, so now I am gonna use Solar, the yellow, the most yellow tone. I am going to use that as a little bit of highlight. This is an amazing highlighter on darker skin. So as you can see here, it warms up the whole cheek, like to golden. I love that. Then we are going for lips. Maybe we're gonna just keep on doing this fiery makeup. So let's go for Anger Mood Crayon. I will add a little bit of Infinity Glass on top, just to make it a little bit more glossy. I am done! And are you excited about the new palette? I've been knowing about this for a while now, and I have been using it in my looks, you know, all these blink smileys I've been doing. And I'm so happy, you guys, that you have been watching this video. Don't forget to click thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again next time. Bye guys!